Create a new analysis project. Enter a project name. Select the lipid droplet analysis after cell instance segmentation pipeline and click the Open button. Click the Create button. Click the plus button to import TCF files. Select TCF files. Click the Set Work button and set the work sets. Select a work set for a test and click Test Run button to run a test. After the test run, ensure that the label LD layer is activated and check the mask. Likewise, activate the label cell layer and check the cell segmentation results. If the mask is not suitable, expand the pipeline control panel and choose the process to modify parameters. In the Live View control panel, check the layers starting with mask from the bottom to identify any masks that need modification. If wanting to modify the mask LD threshold mask, click on the 17th process in the pipeline control panel that outputs this mask. Adjust the lower threshold value in this process, which is an activated parameter, and click the Execute button. After modifying the parameters, check the results of the process execution and repeat the modifications for other masks. After fine-tuning, click Test Run button to check the result mask. Review the result mask again. If the mask from the test run accurately depicts the lipid droplet and cell well, click Run Batch button. Confirm the file format for export. Activate the label, cell layer, and verify the result mask. In this pipeline, there are 6 exported folders. Mask images of cells and lipid droplets in HT images in TIFF or RAW format, and measurement of cells and lipid droplets in CSV files. In the last folder, you'll find thumbnails of masks overlaid on HT images, allowing for a quick check of the segmentation results. Click New Viewer button. Choose Volume with Mask in 3D, and for the base image, select HT, and for the mask, select Label Cell. Click OK button. On the right panel, you can choose depth color coding. Try visualizing it more clearly using the XYZ crop feature.